Hello, quick little video to follow up on the previous Phantom video. This is what I'd ordered, and it's probably the most nicest box art I think ever on a jet on a Airfix model kit. I just think it just looks amazing, that as a bit of art. Anyway, I've already got this kit though, so what I wanted to rebuy it for is because I want to do the camouflage version as well. So let's have a look. It's the same kit as before, same kit as the other Phantom is available, but you get this option of the black one, 111 black Phantom, which I think is still preserved somewhere, maybe local. I can't remember whether it's the one. But what I want to do is the 43 Squadron RF Lucas. Actually, where my uncle and auntie met there back in the 50s, 40s, 50s. That must be the 50s. Anyway, side tangent. And that's what I intend building one of the kits as. This little camo version from the Cold War era. Again, you got a nice lot of stencil data, exactly the same for a Phantom, and likewise you get decals which are mainly stencils, but very nice. And so anyway, just celebrating the fact that the right kit came eventually, and it's the one with the black Phantom on the front, and now I've got two, so I can build both options. So there we are. Okay, thank you for watching, and that's a quite short video.